Question 8 offers us a problem in radians involving the plan of a stage. And the first thing they ask us to prove is that OC, which is the radius of the circle, is equal to 12. Well, OC is the radius of a circle of which we know the arc length and the included angle, which means that the ratio of the arc length to the total circumference must be equal to the ratio between the angle included here and the angle all the way round. So I can say that 27.6 divided by the circumference, which is 2 pi r, is equal to 2.3 radians divided by the angle of the whole thing, which is 2 pi. The 2 pi's cancel, and if you work that out, you get that r is equal to 12. And that's the first of our answers. They now want us to show that the angle AOB is 0.421 radians corrected 3dp. Right, the angle AOB is the angle in here. Let's call it theta. Well, as we know that AOG is a straight line, and we know that these two triangles are congruent, in other words, the same, 2.3 radians and 2 thetas must be equal to pi radians. So 2 theta plus 2.3 must equal pi. So theta equals pi minus 2.3 divided by 2, and that indeed is equal to 0.421 radians, and that's to 3dp. Part B's answer. So in part C, we're told that the total front of the stage B, C, D, E, and F is equal to 35 metres. Find the total area of the stage to the nearest square metre. So if B, C, D, E, F equals 35, 35 is made up of 2 lumps of, let's say, X and 27.6. And if you work that out, X turns out to be 3.7 metres. So the area of the stage is made up of 3 areas. This is area 1, this is area 2, and this is area 3. Areas 1 and 3 will be the same, and area 2 will be the area of this sector. So area 2 first. If you can't remember the formula, well, the area of 2 divided by the whole area, which is pi r squared, must be given by the amount of radians we've got, which is 2.3, over again the whole lot, which is 2 pi. The pi's cancel, and we're left with the area is equal to a half 2.3 multiplied by r squared. And if you substitute our value of r in, which is 12, we get that this area is equal to 165.6 square metres. So now we've got to work out area 1. Well, area 1 is a non-right angled triangle. We know theta now because it's this value here, 0.421. It's the angle in between 2 sides that we know, this, of course, being 7.5. The area of triangle 1 is given by a half AB sine theta, A being 7.5 and B being equal to 12 plus 3.7. Put all those values, including theta, into this, you get area 1 is equal to 24.06, and on it goes. So 2 of these areas, 1 of those areas, total area, 1 plus 2 plus 3. And if you pop all those values into a calculator, you get that the total area is 213.6 metres squared, or to the nearest metre, 214 metres. And that's the answer.